Do you want to know how you can log into your Unriddle.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Unriddle.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Unriddle AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Unriddle where you can read research papers faster. So, to log into your account, you can see login on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click login, which is over here. So after you click on login, you can log into your Unriddle account after you write down your email address, or you can just continue with Google. Now to continue with email address, go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. Click continue with email. Wait for a while and then a mail will be sent to you by Unriddle and you can write down the code over here. So check your mail. A mail will be sent to you by Unriddle. You can write down the verification code here, press continue, and then you can log in using your email address. If you want to skip this and want to continue with Google, go ahead and click continue with Google. It will lead you to this portal where you can select your email address, click continue to sign with Unriddle.ai, and in a while you can notice that you have now signed in to Unriddle.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.